experience when you saw your child performing well?
So my experience was nothing short of awe. I was actually very teary-eyed seeing my child perform. Otherwise, Kian had been a little timid around his friends and with strangers, but seeing him perform so well, he was so dynamic and well structured in his speech, and also the dance he enjoyed a lot. And the joy which I saw in him actually imbibed in us, and we became child all over again. So it was magical.
What are the other activities that you like in the entire year?
So in the entire year, obviously the events, mom and me events, grandparent events. So it also make us a part of their journey of school. In other schools, I wouldn't see so much inclusion and so much collaboration between the parents and teacher, and also the love. Obviously, Kian has been very sensitive, and we wanted a very nurturing and a growth provocative environment, which Jumpstart is surely is.
What has been the greatest change in your child's life because of Jumpstart?
So Kian came in Jumpstart when he was 2.5 years old, and he was still very much unaware about the world. And he was energetic, but again, the energy was not structured and streamlined. So Jumpstart activity-based learning, experiential learning, is something which help him gain the confidence to be able to interact with the world and open up the mind. Apart from the academics, he's more dynamic. He knows his interest from very young on, whether he's good at sports, whether he wants to be a public speaker. So this is something only Jumpstart could bring us, and not we could not do it until that time. So it's awesome.
What is that one thing that Jumpstart is best at?
So Jumpstart is actually best at curating their curriculum around the child. So it's not, they don't teach child as a group. Rather, they focus on each and every individual's obvious this pros and cons, I would say, or something which is good in them, something which is lacking. So for each child, the educator is actually focusing on child's weaknesses and strengths and working on that. uh, for another child it could be different, for my child it could be different. So the individual attention, and again the love the teacher is having with the child, the connection they are having, it's immense. I could not even put it in the words what Jumpstart had gave us child.
One last question. If your child could describe Jumpstart in one word, what would be?
So it's literally a second home. He's always like Gauri teacher, my friends, and that world is so special to him. Even when he is back from the school, he just talks about it entire day. So love and friendship that what Jumpstart has given to him, and been a part of his life is something nobody else could, and no other school I could imagine could match up to the level of nurturing environment or a homely environment providing these children in their early years of life, building confidence rather than putting academic pressure or putting them in a race or a competition. They are actually imbibing a sense of world, and how they take the world ahead with them. So my child is more and more confident. Just love the way Jumpstart is having these children doing all of this. It's amazing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.